In this video, we're going to use the dimensional analysis technique in doing some measurement conversions. So with the dimensional analysis technique, you always want to begin with the measurements given. All right, and in this question, we want to convert 39.67 carat in grams. Then we will also convert that in ounces as well. So first we're going to start by expressing the initial measurement, which is the 39.67 carat as a fraction over 1. That is the first step. Next, we're going to use one of these identity ratios to convert from carat to grams. And the only place we see gram is in the 1 carat equal to 0.2 grams. And with the dimensional analysis, you always want to express the identity ratio in a way that the unwanted unit are in opposite vision, leaving the desired unit you want at the top. So since we have some carat at the top, we are not interested in having carat. Okay, our main goal is to have grams as our final measurement. So we should have some carat at the bottom to get rid of the carats we have at the top of the first fraction. And we're going to use 1 carat equal to 0.2 grams as our identity ratio. So the 1 carat will stay at the bottom, and we're going to have our 0.2 grams at the top. So now go ahead and cancel the carat. Now you have your desired unit at the top. We're going to go ahead and multiply 39.67 by 0.2 grams. And if you type this into your calculator, 39.67 times 0.2, that gives you 7.934, and the unit is grams. Next, we're going to convert 39.67 carat in ounces. So the first step is to always begin with the initial measurement. You always want to express the initial measurement as a fraction over 1. So 39.67 carat over 1. And now we're going to pick an identity ratio that can help us move from carat to ounces. All right, and where we can see ounces is in the last identity ratio. Okay, but that is 1 ounce equal to 437.5 grains. And in order to get to grains, we have to use 1 carat equal to 3.086 grains, so that when we are in grains, we can easily use the last identity ratio to get to ounces. So we have to go through an intermediary. Okay, so since we have some carat at the top, we should have some carat at the bottom. So first we're going to use the second identity ratio, which will help us move from carat to grains. So the 1 carat will be at the bottom, and your 3.086 grains will be at the top. Now that we are in grains, we can easily convert to ounce by using the last identity ratio. So since we have some grains at the top of this fraction, we should have some grains at the bottom to cancel out. And the relationship between grains and ounce is 1 ounce equal to 437.5 grains. So 437.5 grains will stay at the bottom, and your 1 ounce will stay at the top. So cancel the grains, and now you have your desired unit at the top, which is ounce. So we're going to go ahead and multiply 39.67 by 3.086 and divide by the value we have at the bottom, which is 437.5. And if you type this into your calculator, 39.67 times 3.086 divided by 437.5, that gives us 0.28 ounce. If you convert this to two decimal places, always should be told where to leave your decimal places, but for the purpose of this video, I'm leaving this into decimal place. So in dimensional analysis, you always want to begin with the initial measurement, express that as a fraction over 1. Then you pick an identity ratio that will move you from that unit to the appropriate unit or the desired unit that you are looking for. Sometimes you have to use one identity ratios. Other times you have to go through an intermediary before getting to your final unit. All right, I hope this helps. Thanks.